Hello everyone, this is Kishore from AppSecEngineer. I wanted to take the opportunity to show a very interesting feature that we have recently released in AppSecEngineer, which should in many ways revolutionize the way training is delivered and consumed via AppSecEngineer. For the longest time, we've had challenges within AppSecEngineer. I think it's been close to about 2.5 years since we provided challenges within AppSecEngineer. And we have seen great feedback, very positive feedback coming for the challenges that we provide. Taking it forward from there, we also introduced a feature called Build Your Own Challenge. We realized that many of our users and customers, while they enjoyed a lot of the challenges that we provided in our library, wanted to build out some of their own challenges as well, specific to the languages or frameworks that they work with within their organization and very specific to the challenges that they face in security within their teams within the organization. We wanted to also look at exploring and expanding this further to not just limit it to challenges, but also extend this capability towards courses. And we sought early feedback from a lot of people, and that was also very positive, where people said that this should be something that they would be very interested in exploring and adding to their experience in AppSecEngineer. So therefore, we very recently launched a feature called CreatorStudio. Now, this is essentially a function or a capability that allows the admin to create courses on the fly. Now, these are full courses. This is still a feature in the beta state. This is the first version. You're still working on further enhancements to this. And as we move further on this, once the full version is released, you will be able to launch and create a full course with slides, videos, challenges, and full-fledged labs. Today, the lab piece is still being worked on, and that will be part of the full versions. That's why it's currently in beta stage. But you are today able to launch and generate on the fly courses of your choosing with very specific parameters that you can select and create in order to address training requirements, which are very unique to your organization, very unique to specific teams within your organization. So let me show you how it works. So you go in, very similar to our challenge interface, build your own challenge interface. You give a name to the course. So let's take a look at AWS Security Essentials for Beginners, AWS Cloud Security for Cloud Ops. And you provide a short context. Let's just create a short context here. Provide a course that will train cloud ops engineers on the essentials of AWS Cloud Security. Introduce the basics of cloud security to folks who have 3 years of experience in operations. So with this context, I can essentially just go in and create a course. Again, you are free to give as much context as possible, free to create any topics of your choosing, and you will be able to essentially provide very, very specific information to specific challenges that you have within your organization. Now, I've already submitted this course for generation. This is already in progress. We have 25% progress. And once this completes, you will have a full course available on the fly that you have generated from AppSecEngineer using our AI-based course generator. You will be able to generate as many courses as you like for topics which are very unique and specific to your organization or to very specific teams within your organization. So while users can still enjoy the courses that are provided in our own course library, which we will update and we continue to update on a monthly basis, you can go ahead and create your own courses using CreatorStudio. Now, as you can see, the course creation is complete. This comes across as a full course along with the context that I just provided in the course creation phase. There is a full video that you can take a look at.
This course is designed to build a strong foundation in AWS security, specifically for cloud operations teams. We begin by
and it would, given that this is an introductory course for Cloud Ops, it would come with an introductory session talking about AWS core security concepts. It even generates diagrams in order to, explain the concepts in a lot more easier, more digestible way for the users.
This clear division of responsibility cloud operations teams to maintain and monitor their environments effectively. In this diagram, we explore the clear division of security roles in the AWS ecosystem. The left side outlines the security of the cloud. It starts at the very base, with the physical hardware that forms the foundation of all.
So once you have this course created, once the generation is complete, you can do a launch course And this will essentially finalize the course and launch it within the courses library. So you could go back into the courses library here in the AppSecEngineer dashboard, go back to courses, and then just click on custom, and you would see 3 courses. So this is the one that I just created. You have one on OWASP Top 10 as well. You have one advanced course on zero-day discovery. And as these courses are generated, I'm just showing you the OWASP Top 10 course, which I generated short while back. So you have an OWASP Top 10 course, OWASP Top 10 Security Essentials, and you have some challenges that are also generated as part of this. So this feature allows you to generate courses on the fly on any topic that you can select. It could be from basic topics to very, very specific topics which are relevant to different teams in the organization or relevant to different groups of users within the organization. If you'd like to generate a course which is more project manager oriented, you can generate something from here. If you want to generate a course which is very specific to DevSecOps security challenges within teams, you could do that as well. So there are no limits to this. You can generate courses based on specific requirements, launch them into the courses library, and then you can, of course, package them as part of the courses assignments and roll these out as part of the assignments as well. So this is the CreatorStudio or AppSecEngineer CreatorStudio feature that I wanted to show you today. As I said in the beginning, it is in its beta stage wherein you will be able to create a full course. The lab piece is being worked on, and within the next quarter, you will see the lab piece completed. And the courses will come with slides, with video voiceover, lecture sessions, challenges, and full-fledged hands-on labs built out and generated based on very specific requirements that you can define within the CreatorStudio interface. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.